Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 11th to the 17th. This flyer, there are so many deals. I'm trying to just condense it, but man, it's going to be a terrific week over at Walgreens. Now, if you remember earlier in the week on Tuesday, January the 6th, Christmas went 80%. It will not go more than 80%. What they're going to do towards the end of the week is start boxing it up, sending it back to head office where it's going to be salvaged by the company to make the most amount of money. So that's that. Get your stuff probably by Saturday if you wanted clearance for Christmas. Also, a lot of us on Wednesday morning got various boosters, a 5-pack when you buy 2 P&G cleaning items. That is fantastic. I believe that's online. 5-pack when you buy 3 dental care. We always get that one. And a 6-pack when you spend 30. That's both in-store, online. On my husband's card, I got a 10-pack when you spend 30. Go and load your boosters and then come back and then we'll discuss some deals. And remember, it's always a year mileage may vary with these, like, spend 10, get back 30, or the spend 6 or spend 30 and get back 6. Those sort of boosters. Not everybody gets the same ones. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, January the 11th. That's when you can load all the coupons, and those boosters also don't begin until the 11th. If you guys could also do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, if you can press it, it would really launch this video into outer space. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. We'll have to figure that one out. Okay, so the first couple deals we're going to look at involve toilet paper, and that 2 off of 2 for the Scott, I think, is for either this deal or the next deal. They're interchangeable, but you can't use it twice. So you pick the deal you want to do. For these Scott's paper products, they are buy one, get one, 50% off at $5. So for 4 of them, it's $15. Subtracting that 2 off 2 digital, you'll pay $13. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $10 for the 4 or $2.50 per paper product. Even if you hate everything in this preview, this is the deal everybody should be doing. $2.50 is a stock up price. The alternative deal is on the Scott's 1012 rolls for $9.99. And see that 2 off of 2? Yeah, so either that last deal or this one. Grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $17.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $14.98 for the 2 or $7.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. If you are going to do that $30 basket, this $19.98 would be like most of it. You'd be $10 short. So I would probably throw this in a $30 basket if you have that booster. We're looking at the very large Tide Pods, Tide Liquid for $12.99. There's usually $3 digitals on those, $5 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of those, it will be $25.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $19.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $14.98 for the 2 or $7.49 for these large Tides. It's a really good deal. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Next deal that we're looking at is the $2.99 Palmolive Suavitel and cleaning products. $2 reward when you purchase 2. Are we going to get a $1 digital on Palmolive Suavitel, or are we going to get 1 off of each? I don't know. But in the last couple times, they gave us a $1 off either one. It was like one of those interchangeable coupons. But grabbing 2 of these products, it's $5.98. I would go for 2 Palmolives. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $4.98. Getting back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per unit. You may use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I know a lot of us probably need to stock up on that dish soap, so not a bad little dealio. Dove shampoo is back for $5, $4 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these Dove shampoos for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. And I would definitely stock up your stockpile with this dollar shampoo, especially when it's Dove. It's a really great deal. I know that a lot of shampoos have been cleared out at 90%, but this one might be a tall order to find at that price point. So I would definitely look, if you can maybe line up a deal. If they're like, 50 cents each, that would be so much better if you can find the clearance. But I think a lot of the clearance has been just cleared out. Dove body wash for $8, $3 reward when you purchase two with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing two of these, it's going to be $16. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8 for the two or $4 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Have a deal for all the parents out there. If you might have that 10 back when you spend 30 booster, you can get this deal even cheaper. But grabbing 3 bags of those Huggies, it's going to be $31.50. Subtracting the one $3 digital, you're going to pay $28.50. Get back a $10 register reward, so it makes it $18.50 for the 3 or $6.16 per unit. If you're doing this deal on its own with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you wanted to throw in that booster, it would be $10 register reward and $10 in Walgreens cash. It would make it $8.50 for the 3, like just under $3 per bag of diapers. And if you use a booster, obviously the balance you have to pay with your debit card. But this is a neat and tidy, clean deal, right at $30. You don't have to use a lot of imagination to make this one happen. Nexus for $16, and I'm sure we're going to have an $8 off coupon for that. $10 reward when you spend 20 or more. Grabbing two of the expensive Nexuses, it's going to be $32. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $24. Get back a $10 register reward, making it 10 for 4 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Alternatively, if you wanted to use your booster for this one, you would pay $24 with your debit card, and then you would get back the $10 register reward and $10 in Walgreens cash for your booster. So it would make it so cheap for this one. So any way you slice the pie, it's fantastic. Now we're going to look at a couple dental care deals. The $3.50 Crest or Oral-B, $5 reward when you purchase 3, and a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal that I think is really fantastic this week is the Colgate. They're $4.50 a unit with a $2.50 coupon. I think it's going to be $2.50 off of a paste and $2.50 off of a mouth rinse or a brush. Grabbing 2 of those lovelies, a mix between the brush and the paste, it's going to be $9. Subtracting 2 $2.50 coupons, 5 is coming off. You're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, apparently, there's something by Listerine in the $5 neighborhood. If you can track down 2 of those tinier mouth rinses, we have a $1 off coupon. So 2 for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we're going to talk about some Axe deals. The first one is on body wash. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, it'll either be $8.98 or like $10.30. It's going to be one of those two, depending what they do with the numbers online or in the store. Subtracting that 5, you're paying $3.98 for the 2, or it's $1.99 per unit, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The brick deodorant is $7.49 on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those bricks, it's going to be $11.23. Subtracting that 6 off of 2, you're paying $5.23 for the 2, like $2 and some change per, which is a really good price point. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Soft soap and Irish Spring, $5.99 with a $2 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the soft soap refills. I just love when this promotion happens. That's $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The last 2 deals we're talking about before honorable mentions are razor deals. We're looking for $9.99 Gillette and Venus, and usually we have a $3 coupon to go with. So grabbing 2 of those cheapy razors, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting $6. Let's hope they show up on Sunday for us. You're going to pay $13.98. Get back an $8 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This one, we're going to have to grab 2 Schick refills, one for the men and one for the women. Spend $20 to earn back a $5 register reward. Grabbing 1 of each refill, it's $22.48. And let's hope we get $3 coupons or maybe even 4. I don't know. I'm going to lowball it at 3 per. You would pay $16.48, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.48 for the 2 or $5.74 per refill. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Go really quickly through some honorable mentions. The first one is this. The Garnier deal is still ongoing from the previous week. I talked about this quite a bit, so I'm not going to go through the math again. That 3 off 2 digital coupon is still there, so you can make something happen for you. And unfortunately, one of the L'Oreal coupons is expiring on Saturday. But if we get a new manufacturer with the store coupon, the 2 for $11, this might be potentially a deal. $5 gift card when you spend $50 on beauty accessories. We're going to have to wait and see how that one shakes out. I always get nervous when we have to find a gift card for the cashiers to scan for us. Sometimes it's messy. $13 for this new Tresemme line. $5 reward when you purchase 2 and a $3 digital coupon. It seems a little bit spendy out of pocket, but what is this line? That's the honorable mention I kind of want to know. And if you're thirsty, Coca-Cola 12 packs are on a buy one, get one free promotion. Go and get some this coming Sunday over at Walgreens. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.